Yeah, good morning, everyone. So US market continue its rally of last 3 4 days. One of the reason could be like there is a positive trigger for Ukraine war. Ukraine is gaining ground again against Russia in the war, so that is creating a positive sentiment for the world market, including US. So that is one of the reasons. And apart from that, today we expect inflation figure, and inflation figure is expected to be marginally declining month on month by around minus 0.1%. So that can also support the market. Apart from that, if we talk about the Asian market, most of the Asian markets are positive by around 0.5%, and futures of the US market are more of a flattish. On the commodity side, if we see the oil further gain ground, and now up by around $2 from yesterday's same time to 93.6. And apart from that, even if we talk about iron ore and steel, both are up by around 1% in today's trade. So overall seems positive direction. Yesterday we saw India inflation also coming at around 7% versus expectation of 6.9%, marginally higher than what was expected. And last month of 6.7%, there was an expectation that in this quarter, in this month, and even in the next month, the inflation will be remaining bit higher, mainly on account of higher base and some inflation in the food prices. So overall, RBI has guided for around 7% inflation for the quarter, but it seems like aggregate for the 3 months, that is July, August, September, the inflation will be below 7, as July was lower inflation. So nothing to worry in that perspective. Overall seems direction-wise things are positive. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you so much. Morning, all of you. This is Swati. Looking towards the Asian markets, I believe our Nifty is likely to open with a gap of opening at around 18,050 levels, and this rally is likely to be extended towards 18,100 with the immediate resistance level. Any more about that level, we believe that this positive rally is likely to be extended towards 18,200 to 18,300 levels on the high side. Whereas on the downside, the immediate support will be placed at 17,900 level. If it's break that support level, then we can witness some sort of a profit booking, which might take a Nifty towards 17,800 to 17,700 levels. The view will remain positive as long as Nifty sustains over 17,700 levels. Coming towards the Bank Nifty is the one indices which is sticking on the higher side on the continuous basis compared to the Nifty, and it gives the strength to the Nifty as well. I believe it has a potential to reach up to 41,000 levels on the higher side. So for today intraday purpose, the first resistance is placed at 40,800. And you know about that level, 41,000 levels can be seen on the higher side. Whereas on the downside, the first support is placed at 40,500. Any move below that level on the closing basis, we are likely to witness some sort of a profit booking into the Bank Nifty, which might take the indices towards 40,400 to 40,000 levels on the downside. Coming towards the Nifty Finance Services, for today intraday purpose, 18,170 is the first resistance level. Any move above that level, we expect a positive momentum to be carried forward towards 18,250 to 18,003 levels on the higher side. Whereas on the downside, 18,000 is the first support level. Below that level, 17,900, 17,800 levels can be seen. So the overall view will remain a positive on the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty as long as it sustains above the mentioned support level. Coming towards the stock specific, Apollo Hospital really looks very good on the technical front. This particular stock is trading about 200 DMA, trading in the formation of higher tops and higher bottom. I believe it has a potential to reach up to 4570 levels on the higher sides. So one can take a long position into the Apollo Hospital with a stop loss of 4435 for a target of 4570. I think that's it from my end. I request you to guys take call forward.
Thank you, Swati. Good morning, everyone. So, as per derivatives data front, we are witnessing a strong buyback in the market. Currently, we are seeing that from as per the Y position, between 17,800 to 18,000 strike put at a positions are continuously getting added up. While again against that, we are seeing that a still call at a position at 18,000 is not getting shifted. Continuously, we are seeing that if in today's trading session, if Nifty manages to give closing above 18,000 level, then only we might witness the shifting of positions of 18,000 on the upper end towards 18,200, 300 level. While the next important resistance level for the Nifty currently we are witnessing is at 18,200 and 300 level. We are seeing that SGX is likely to open 100 points on the upper end today around 18,050 levels. So currently 18,200 will act as an important resistance zone for next 1 to 2 trading session. Once Nifty manages to hold 18,200 level, then we might witness a new rally, a new buying rally in the market. Currently Nifty is in the range of 18,000 to 17,600 to 700 level. As we are seeing that the PCR yesterday closed at 1.18 level. So PCR also is trading at about the supportive level. 1.15 is supportive level. Once if PCR goes below 1.15 level, then we might witness some profit booking in the market. While India VIX also came down sharply below 18.5 level, so that is also a positive sign in the market. The biggest positive sign in the market currently is FI. From last five trading session, we are seeing that FIs are continuously into buying zone. Yesterday also we witnessed 2000 crore net positions were bought from the FI zone. So currently 20 is positive. You should hold a long position with the strict stop losses and you should book profit on the upper end almost around 30-40 points. Currently we are seeing that the Nifty is likely to hold the rally with the support of 17,900 level, while on the upper end 18,200 will act as an important resistance zone. For the stock specific and sectoral specific, on sectoral specific, we have witnessed that in yesterday trading session, chemical sector has shown some great buying, and we expect the buying to be continued in the market. The selective stock from that would be SRF and Deepak Nitrite looks positive, while from the metal sector, we expect a sale and JSW Steel. These two counter looks also positive for coming trading session. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. C&S Wholesale Grocers, an industry leader in supply chain solution and wholesale grocery supply in US, has partnered with TCS to build its AI-powered distribution model. This is positive to TCS. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. JSW reported its volume numbers for the month of August, wherein the crude steel production stood at 1.68 million ton, which is up by 7% month on month and up by 22% year on year. So this is neutral for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, uh, there is a news that Sony and Z may offer some concession in their merger to comply with CCI Competition Commission requirement, and this may support merger to go through from CCI angle. So will act as positive for company in today's trade. Then IRB Infra has reported that the the traffic volume on their road has increased by almost around 30% year on year and 5% from July month, that is month on month. So that can also act as positive for IRB Infra in today's trade. Even small finance may be launching is launching QIP. The floor price is quite low at around 21 point something. Though it may have some marginal negative impact in near term, but this will open up the position for promoter to merge both the company, that is IRB, that is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank and Ujjivan the holding company, uh, and can have a positive impact on Ujjivan holding company. So overall, though it is pricing is at lower level and can have some impact in near term, but outlook from a bit medium term perspective is positive on the stock. Then we met the management of Prakash Industries, that is in secondary steel manufacturing. They manufacture sponge iron and billets and has a small iron ore mine. In fact, company has been allotted coal mine around 6-7 months back, and the progress on that is that is going on. But what we feel that the outcome from this mine will take a lot of time. Uh, though the mine is allotted and mine has a good quality of coal, uh, but the production level per year is around 1 million ton. And the current prices, if the coal come out, then can generate a lot of profit for Prakash industry. But what we see that the production from this mine will take a lot of time. They are at very initial stage. They need to acquire some land also for the mine, and then forest clearance, and then environment clearance, and then there will be a agreement operation of the mine. So mining lease will get executed. So generally in this process, we had seen in the past that it may take more than 2 years as well. So though the company is targeting to start the mining in the next year, beginning or maybe mid of the next year, but what we see that it will be very difficult and very dynamic to start the mine at that stage. So overall, though, well, it's a value proposition with optional value of mine, as the stock is quite underpriced as compared to their plant value. But looking at the current scenario where the prices of the steels are coming down and the costs are high, right now it's not recommended to buy this stock. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, we witnessed a spectacular rally in gold and silver, though silver was outperforming gold. We believe this rally could continue. So, buying on dips is recommended. Gold, one should buy around 50,500 with a stop loss of 50,300. We have seen 50,800 seems to be a resistance zone. So once it breaches and sustains above 50,800, we might see 51,000 to 51,100 uh, uh, on the intraday basis. Silver also looks positive. One can buy around 57,000, 800. Prices are expected again to test the highs of yesterday, 58,350. Buying in silver also recommended. Crude oil, uh, this rally could continue. It can test 71,000, 7150. Buying around 6950 is recommended with a stop loss of 6850. Prices are expected to test 7150 or higher end. NG also we recommend to buy around 666 57 levels. Prices are expected to test 680 85 on higher end. So buying is recommended in natural gas also. Metals also we feel copper testing 770 775 levels on higher end. So buying around 659 level is recommended with a stop loss of 654. Prices are expected to rise. And zinc also we have seen 284 is holding as a good support area. So as long as holding 284, we might witness 290 294 levels on the cards. And that's it from me. And okay, in currency also we could see some range bound movement, though seems to be in pressure. So selling on rise is recommended. 79 60 63 is seems to be a resistance area, and one can sell from there. Price USD INR could test 79.20 to 79.110 on lower end. That's it from us. Thank you very much.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.